what we're going to do here is just a little activity to show you the idea of what average value actually means. The idea here, for example, we have y equals 4 minus x squared. It's just this parabola that starts at minus 2, 0. It goes up to 0, 4, and it goes down to 0. The average value has got to be somewhere between 0 and 4. If I go move up this line, for example, right to there. Now that's at y equals 2. That's certainly the average between the top and the bottom, but remember what's supposed to happen. In order to be the average value, the idea is we have this big mound of dirt here. We want to build a road so that all of the dirt above the road will exactly fill in the holes below the road. And that's not what happens here. If I slide it down a little bit, the situation just gets worse, right? Now there's way too much dirt up here to fill in the holes. That's not a good idea. We tried 2. If I go to something like, I don't know, 2.3. Well, let's go to 3. Well, all right. What about 3? Now the dirt above the road is just this little bit in here, and it's got to fill in this giant hole here and this giant hole here. That's not good. If I go to like 2.5, if I can't get there, I'll just type it in. Yeah, let's cheat and type it in. Right about there. That's getting closer. In order for this dirt right up here to fill in this hole, this chunk right here would exactly have to fill in this chunk right here. I think we should go in. Oh boy, 2.5 looks awfully close to me. What if I go up a little bit? Up a little bit. Let's see here. Slider, I want my slider back. Right, see, just a little. See, just a little. About there. About there, 2.6. 2.64. Right? Now I want this chunk here, this hole right here, has to be filled by this hole, all this dirt right here. And this dirt right here has to exactly fill in this hole right here. And that's all we mean by average value. So the average value here should be roughly 2.64 for the function 4 minus x squared on this interval. Of course, if we change the interval, we're going to be changing the height.